the next step is to configure its units. So Model Y, here in Model Y, we're going to choose the unit format. In this case, it can be in meters, millimeters, or centimeters. Most people use meters, and here it's good to leave it, I don't know, at 2 decimal places, so there's not too much information. All right, once that's done, oops, stay here. There you go. So I click there at the beginning, right? And I'm going to set any distance here. I'll put 5, enter. Now, let's suppose I want to close the rectangle, okay? This part is a bit tricky. Look, you don't know if you're drawing it to the back or upwards, see? 3D can be a bit deceiving, right, for us. So, what are you going to do here? Using the keyboard keys, you're going to press look to the left, and it'll lock in this direction on the green axis, see? To the right, it'll lock on the red axis, which is like XY, right? And upwards, it'll lock on the blue axis. If you press up again, it unlocks, right? Same thing. For the right, for example, if you press it again, it unlocks. So I press to the other side. I'm going to make, I don't know, 5 by, let me think here. What am I gonna draw? 5 by 4, I guess. I'm going to enter 4, then press enter. Then, just like in AutoCAD, I can lock it here and use the other point as a reference, and I'll come and close it right here. Look, I closed it, and it created a face. As soon as it closes the points, it already creates a face. Okay? With this done, I can use a tool, for example, the offset tool, right? Just like in AutoCAD, F, it goes to offset, or you can click on this little thing here, look. It will have the offset option. Click here, and it will create an offset on the face. It can be outward or inward. I'm going to set it outward, for example, 0.15, and press enter. I think it should be 0.15. Let me check. 0.15. There, 0.15. 0.15. There you go. I did it outward there. Now I'm going to press P. Okay, P as in path, which is this little icon here. Look, push and pull. Okay, I clicked here. Look, now I can already raise, for example, the walls of whatever I'm working on, right? Let's make, I don't know, 3 meters of wall. Look, I made these little walls here, and now I have several options, right? Several things I can do here. I can use the pencil again, or R, which is rectangle. See, okay? I can come here and make a rectangle that will be my door, for example, right? It doesn't have to be in the corner, it can be in the middle. Then it will have 2 measurements here. Yeah, so one would be here, look, the bigger one is the height, and the smaller one is the width, okay? So I'm going to put here 2.10, which is the height of a door, 2.1, 8, for example. It's 0.8, right? Which would be 80 centimeters for the door. There, done. And then with the push-pull tool again, which is P, this icon right here, I can click on this face, see? And I could make it bigger here. But that's not what we want. I go over to the other one here and click on the face as well, and it will make a hole for me. All right? So try to do this process yourselves. Make a little square there, any size, offset it outward, push-pull, pull it up, and make a, it could be a window too, see? Push-pull and make a hole in it. Who's working on it there? I want to see your screens.